Hello. Guys, I'm so not ready yet. I'm so not ready yet. Huh. Too much. Hello, how's it going? Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, some of you. Finn, thank you for the posture check and the hydrate. I got green tea today. Does it get keyed out from the green screen? A little bit. Saribot, welcome in. Stream Elements? That's everybody. No, Kslur, you changed your name on Blue Sky, and I saw it, and the profile picture changed, and the name, and I'm like, there's two slurs? So confused. Foil. Double whammy. Yeah, I needed that. Excuse me. Ladies and gentlemen, we have bear romance. Do we? Or do we just have a screenshot to shut you up? It was actually pretty fun to do that. Foil must keep streak alive. You don't have to. Just let the streak go. You'll feel better. Honestly, you'll feel better. You'll get more sleep. Virtue, how's it going? Super Chew, how are you? 12:30 a.m. Booyah. Yeah, sorry. I changed the display name, not the tag. I mean, I never notice what people's tags are. That does not enter my brain. Ani, give me streak. Malachi, how's it going? Good evening. Thank you for the hydrate. Does green tea count as hydrate? Turgus. Oh my god. Turgus, 2 months. Thank you for the prime. That's really nice of you. Thank you so much. Turgus. How are you doing? One second, responding to text message. All right. Had people that didn't know that was my account. Yeah, I'm sure that will happen. People don't know who I am on Blue Sky. People see Andrew Alpine Lake. They don't know that I'm Booyah Grandma. They don't know. Gotta keep them separated. Green tea is tasty. Yeah, this is a good one. It's Ayanika. What is Ayanika? It's a hojicha green tea. Hojicha. There's a real life. There's an IRL meetup today. Should I go to it? I'll let you all decide. Jitspo merged the Quake 2 BSP importer into his main plugin script. Only took 6 hours of refactoring. Oh god, that's still cool though. 30 stream streak for Hojicha. Dang, Anihan, thank you for streaking. Yeah, there's a few of you. Your streaks are getting too high. You're gonna catch up to Finn, and then we all know how that went. We all know how that went. Like a Twitch IRL? No, it's a indie dev IRL meetup. I don't know. I mean, I've met one other streamer here. I've never met any other streamer in real life. The only streamer I've met was Sky Gray, and that's cool. I wish there were, there should be a Twitch meetup. I don't know any other Tokyo streamers though. It's weird. Like the Tokyo streamers are probably mostly Japanese, which isn't a bad thing. It's just hard to communicate for now. Then Doom next, maybe? The Doom map import? You're going to be looking at Quake 3 next? Trying to get all the maps. What about Counter-Strike? Finn, thank you for the lurk. Belin, oh my god, again. Belin, how you doing? Nice stream today. Oh, you don't even move. You don't even get to move because Turgis was right above you with 5. Sorry. Shout out to Turgis. Wait, there was already a shout out to Turgis. I'm sorry. All right, fine. Shout out to Belin. Turgis is always. Come on. 3 for me. 3 for you. Wait, did I miss one? Malachi, did you redeem? Did I miss it? Also, Blint, I've been meaning to ask you. You know, when you shout out us game devs, you can go to the trailer and you have that media. I don't have media of yours. What kind of media do you want to be shown when I shout you out? Do you want your socials? Do you want some kind of imagery? A website? I don't know. What is your favorite thing? Oh, 3 times streak. I see. Wait, I missed that. Where is that? Why can't I read? Wait, oh, yeah, you guys are spamming me. Or I'm just really bad at reading chat. I'm sorry. I see Ani with 30. I see Slur with 3. I missed that. I'm sorry. Malachi, I don't see yours. It's not here. What? I'm not here for the shout out. I'm here because I support and believe in you. Yeah, but you get the shout out anyway. Same reason why I don't go to your stream for the shout out. I just want to hang. Sometimes it's embarrassing. Sometimes I'm all for it, but most of the time it's embarrassing. Should be. You just added it recently? Wait. Should only have... Wait. 3 streak should only have 2 credits. Yeah, you do have 2 credits. Turgis, you prefer to be above on leaderboards. You prefer to be above science on leaderboards. That I get. Oh, Anihan, sorry. Oh my god. All right. I gotta go in order. I'm like jumping around like a fool. I'm missing everything. As an introvert, I wonder what I would do at a meetup. When you go to an indie game dev meetup, it's all introverts. And like for extroverts, and usually extroverts will adopt an introvert to talk to. It depends on my mood. I definitely swing. I can be an introvert, I can be an extrovert, but yeah, it depends on what kind of mood I'm in. If I go today, I think I'm in a really good mood. I think I'd be pretty outgoing. Last time I went to an indie dev meetup, I just couldn't even open my mouth. I was just like, I just wanted to leave. You should go if you think it will be fun or informative. I think hanging out with people in real life is fun, so I should. Also, my wife's working late tonight, so it's gonna be like another sad, lonely dinner if I don't go. I mean, it's gonna be a sad, lonely dinner no matter what, but at least I'll have people to hang out afterwards. You guys do realize what this means. It means stream ends early if I go. Oh, that sock. Oh my god. All right. My brain also just kind of skipped that dirty sock emote, but thank you for the bits. Thank you. Thank you, Belin. Thank you, Turgis, for those big, gross socks. Doom 2 or maybe, then Doom 3, Quake 4 apparently use the same formats. There's just so many. I'm going to be the expert on this. Sock ship stocking to hang by the fire. Oh, gross. Hide. I used to hide under tables at gatherings when I was a kid and could get away with it. I remember doing that at Thanksgiving once. And then sneaking around all the tables. And the dining room tables we had at the time, they had open backs. So I'd go around pinching everyone's butts. I was 5 years old. Sky Gray! Sky Gray. I don't know if you heard, there's an IRL meetup tonight that I might go to. I got the fruit emote back. You mean you lost it for a bit? Game devs are all introverts. Yeah, pretty much. I was able to catch Splinter's stream earlier. He's a cool guy. He ended up rating science. That's awesome. I believe in Splinter. He's wonderful. Go for it. Hope you have tons of fun. All right, maybe. I'm leaning yes. What is the vibe of this meetup? Casual or serious? It's very casual. And it's the first time this event is being thrown, so I don't even know who's going to be there. Oh my god, Balint. What is that? Nerdsy Smash. Oh my god. How did that get through any kind of vetting process? Yag! What is up? But thank you. Yeah, thank you for the bits. I appreciate it. That is on the verge of not being safe for Twitch. I'm pretty sure it's not safe for Twitch. Wait, it's a Thursday. Did they change the script? It's a different one. It's in the same neighborhood, but it's like a board game / game dev meetup. I don't know what it's going to be about, but if you're interested, send me a DM. I can forward it to you. You should see some of the others that have been gifted to me. Oh my god. That is a wild emote. Yeah, it's wild. I got to get moved up the list. I want to be tall. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Yag. You get bumped. Yag, 3-stream streak. Streak. Thank you for the streak. Aaron, what is up? Just change the material system to his so you don't get to witness icon.svg Quake 2 Skybox in the newest commit. But we liked icon.svg. Aaron, how the hell are you? Hang tight, everybody. Hang tight. I'm just looking at this event page. I think I was supposed to sign up. You don't need to be a developer to join this event. You don't have to be a developer to participate. Both indie board games and game devs are welcome. Language Exchange Cafe and Bar is just open. I can go for a language. Oh god, the knee! Damn the knee! You're making this so not safe. Also, I'm good. I made a new Path of Exile character, and it's funner. How's Rocket League? I don't know. I haven't played Rocket League in quite a while. I saw it coming. I didn't even open Unity yet. I have to at least have Unity open in the background to be considered a software game dev stream, right? I'm also going to open Maya because I'm still working on the Tortoise. So after stream ended yesterday, I rigged the tortoise really quickly, and I moved the hip joint up and down. Which, you know, that's what you're supposed to do every time you make a rig. You move the hip joint up and down to see what it dances like, and it danced so perfectly. It was the most amazing thing I've ever seen. And if anyone's seen my blue sky today or my Twitter, then you already saw the turtle dancing. Quick shout out to Aaron, though. Lynn, thank you for the lick. Oh my god, why are you throwing so many giant emotes at me? Okay, so I have something on my screen. Here's the turtle. Here's the tortoise. This is just from moving the hip control up and down. Like, look at this. Look at this. Show all. If I grab the hip joint, right? Nothing else. The feet do this amazing roll all by itself. And the feet shape is just so perfect for the roll. So I'm not even doing anything. And then the way it like dances when I just rotate it, it's so good. It's so good. I've never rigged anything so perfect before in my life. They're gonna sort you all. Tabletops over here, Godot people over here, Unity people over there, etc. Maybe. Make sure to follow the Twitter for more short form updates. I don't remember doing that. Also, is that even the right link? Yeah, it is. That Nightbot message only shows up once every 10 streams. That's so weird. I don't know how things work. That's how we do it around here. I didn't clip it, but the UVs were extremely screwed up, and on one of the windows it was rotated to the side with a missing texture, so it was just eyes looking out. That's perfect. I guess I can play games like that, like Path of Exile now, right? I have a computer. Oh god, Turgus. What is that? Mard, how's it going? Why would you open Unity on a Rocket League stream? Because they need to at least keep the category. I'm not going into the Rocket League category. I like how in my wrap up, it's just one category. It's just software dev. I don't want to muddy it up with other categories. I like that nice clean look. Oh my god. Turgus, thank you for the giant goose. Oh my god. What are the chances Unity opens before the stream ends? Oh, I didn't even open it yet. You guys are being Cathy's. Bunch of chatty Cathy's. Can't get anywhere. The wiggle is perfect. I hope you don't mean that wiggle of the tongue emote that Turgus just sent. It's so cute. Yeah, it's pretty cute. I love them. Which the giant emotes that they're spamming? They're horrifying. Okay, I like the corn. The corn's fine. It's a little licky, but that nose one is the snossage. I do not like that one. You mean the turtle? Okay, that's good. Lazarla has it going. I just got the notification that you're live. I mean, I haven't done anything yet. If that matters. I forwarded the bear Riz picture to Aaron. I hope you don't mind. If you do, I don't. What do you mean this? Where is it? Obviously, Finn's always talking about bear romance, bear romance, bear romance. So I made this for him. Now you can ask the bear if they want to chill. Hey, hey, do you want to hang out? You want to grab a drink? Oh, Bland. No. No. What even is that? It looks like AI made that. Listen, I hope no one feels uncomfortable by these. These gifts are creeping me out. They're pretty unhinged. Guys, stop. All right, I gotta load up the other computer too. Parsec. Authenticator app. I hate this thing. Two-factor authorization? I don't like it anymore. I give up. All right, we're gonna do one. This is supposed to be a thing that I do for a break. This isn't how we're supposed to start the stream. Renew. What do you mean renew? New computer. There we go, Belint. That's a nice one. I like seeing that. Kevin is good. We like Kevin here. When are you adding bear dating to your game? Errand response after the console release. Yeah, you got to slip it in an update. The Switch, Nintendo won't let that go on initial release. Updating. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Give that a second. Didn't know the stream was 18 plus. It is for the time being. I won't do the fruit. Thank you. I think if you did the fruit, I'd delete it. I just finished a run of roguelike, and the WASD inputs with no breaks did something, I think. Not my whole form. Now my whole form and hand feels sore. Rip. Yeah, be careful with those. Yeah, I can't play certain games anymore because my hands just can't do it anymore. I can't do it. RPGs I could do. It's chill. Rocket League I can't do for more than a couple of rounds. Guitar Hero, forget about it. Ani, thank you for the hydrate. All right, let's do this quick because I want to animate the turtle. Don't pause, press play. Okay. Okay. All this new stuff. I don't care. Just want to play one casual match. Wordstone has it going. For real though, I need to attempt sleep. I hope you have a wonderful stream. Ani, have a good night. Feel free to sit on that redeem until you actually want to break if you like. Nah, let's just get it over with. Let's get it over with. Polyglot, how's it going? My perfect game speed is Stardew Valley. Yeah, same. EverQuest isn't hard on the hands? No. Well, as a bard. As a bard, it's probably the most active class, but I'm not going back to that. Never. Yes, very anti-fruit. No fruit emotes here. Well, if we can't find a match, that's another thing. It's another story. Bad Manners, how's it going? Every time I go to training, we find a match. I'll just do some free play, I'll just warm up. I can't do those. We're not finding a match, are we? This is pathetic. We found one? Okay, we found one. Good, good, good. What a save. I tried. Match canceled. Not enough players. Are you kidding me? Oh, okay. Go, go, go. All right, Richie cuts. Oh, nice one. Can't believe that happened. And I can't believe that happened. Huh? He just let it go because he felt bad? I can't. Oh my god, really? Oh no! Go, go, go! This is Rocket League. This is some game development. Yeah, I know. For those that aren't familiar with this, we just play one. I don't play for a while. Okay. Oh. Oh. I'm doing so bad too. Wait, what's my ping? 160. All right, 150. It's not great. I mean, I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it. What? We just crashed? What just happened? It's freaking Norton. Ah, oh, I couldn't move it. I can't believe Norton did that to me, but the guy was nice. The guy didn't he didn't score on me. That's too nice. I don't actually care that much. Oops. Ah, oh, turn around. I can't see how much boost I have because of the notification thing. I get it? Can I get it? No, I can't get it. Ah, all right, good game. Good game, good game. Ugh. And we shut it down. Where's my mouse? Oh, I disconnected Parsec, but I didn't disconnect the PC. Shut down. All right. We did it. We're back. What did I miss? What did I miss? Let me go back real quick. Real quick. So we got Balint with a really disturbing series of emotes again. Cooking rice and the best invention ever. Wartstone, is it a rice cooker? Because that's the best invention ever to cook rice in, as far as I'm concerned. Mom. Chilling while I wait. Nice. This is some Poggers game development. Yes. Sorry. Sometimes we do this. Alpine Lake looking different? Yeah. Some even call it cozy. What a save! No, I did bad that game. Bold of you to assume Rocket League players feel emotions. I have emotions. Now that person was very nice. You know, they were pausing when I was AFK, and they felt bad for demoing me, which I don't actually care. It's part of the game. Playing games is part of developing games. Yeah, I should play more. I should play more related games. Rocket League is software or a game that was developed. That is true. Booyah wins. That point. Wait, that point was the one that mattered? You got to add them all up to see who wins. Chat disabled for 3 seconds. You should add some type of Rocket League Easter eggs in Alpine Lake. Maybe. Beegs! Beegs, what's up? Cozy vibes. Kinda. Is it me or Twitch changed its layout? It's added a few things to the top. I noticed some channel had a clip leaderboard. So I have a gift and a bit leaderboard, but some channel I was on today had a clips leaderboard. And I think it was length of time or how many views their clips got. I think that was the metric. Testing out new layouts on some folks? Oh, okay. So I didn't get that. I don't like it. You're the one who showed the Game Dev Field Guide Discord recently, right? Yeah. Yeah, that was me. I saw a bunch of you joined in there. Nice. Do you know who's the most confident web designer of all time? The guy who created Craigslist, 20 plus years and never changed. It did change a little bit. There's a lot of really good mobile support. You can drag and drop images. It's actually like some of the buttons have updated, but like I'm talking they updated 10 years ago instead of 20 years ago. Maybe one of the characters mentioned going to watch a carball match or something. That would be pretty good. Yes, only rice cooker regret is that I never got one earlier. Same. For me, they moved the title follow button and everything up top feels gross. Give it a second. Give it a second. Whenever websites change, it's always the backlash, but people get used to it and it's whatever. All right. I want to animate turtle tortoise. I want to animate the tortoise. So this scene is version 4. I have him dancing, but he doesn't need to dance. We can get rid of all the dancing animation. Okay. So, what do I need this tortoise? What do I need this tortoise to do? I feel like I need it eating, and I need an idle. I don't need it walking because it doesn't go anywhere. It's just gonna stay in one spot, maybe? Maybe I'll make a walk anyway just for fun. You put it on Imgur? You put that image on Imgur? I knew that was going to happen. I knew someone was going to point out how I say Imgur. What do you say? Imager? Imgur. Yeah, Imgur. Because it's a bear. I was in the show and tell event, and I was trying to remember your name so I could tell them how I found the server. The best I could manage was Bowie. So yeah, I haven't been to those book club show and tell events in a really long time. And I don't know if anyone there would remember me other than like Computer and Purple Moss. And if they're not there, then they might not know who I am. But that's cool that you're getting in there. Just jump right in. Jump right in, get involved. Be a community member. Imager. No, it's Imgur. I am Gur. Yeah. I say Imgur. Mr. Mard, you say Imgur too? You say how it's spelled? I like how Booyah says it. There we go. I'm on your side. Yeah. Finn, you try to call me out and get everyone to hate me, but it's not happening. Wait, I realized I just spelled the word. I say... Yeah. I'll always remember you. Thank you. Thank you. Purple Moss is still pretty active. Nice. Purple Moss is a legend. He's a legend. He's the one that made it. We all need to be more like Purple Moss. All right, I want an eating. So, all right, we're going to start in... Oh, wait, I didn't finish rigging it. Okay, I got to finish rigging it first. So this is... Rig group. Oh, wait, no, so here we go. Skeleton group. This is the geo group. This is the junk group. But it stays, I'm going to keep it outside of this group because I don't want to export it. And then these are the control groups. Right? This is the hip. Yep. This is the... These are the feet. I didn't name the control groups. Hip. Give me a sec. Why is this? Oh, I didn't even finish weighting it. Oh, how annoying. Leg, front, left, control, group. Leg, control, front, right, control group. This is rear, left, control group. This is rear, right, control. Okay. Everything is named. Nope, I will not have this. Booyah says, nope, I say GIF. I say GIF and Imgur. Booyah says GIF. I never say GIF. I bet you say GIF and Finn. Wait, what? I don't believe this. No, I say GIF. He pronounces var fing. What? Booyah, how do you say GIF? No, I say GIF. I say GIF. Not using var is right and proper, but saying GIF? No, we don't say GIF. Meds are putting me to sleep. Turgis, have a good night. Well, I now have to make a little model of two bears hugging, so well done. Do it. Have a good night, Turgis. Sleep well. I took another muscle relaxer. My neck is killing. No. Sorry. Yo, Tino. Aggressively lurking. Thank you for the lurk, and thank you for that big Kirby. No, he's seen chat's reaction. He's trying to get ahead of chat. I wish I was. Honestly, I wouldn't be ashamed of telling you if I was against the grain. But I'm a GIF guy. Post them GIFs. All right, let's. Am I ready? Am I ready to animate this now? Control group, rig group. Oh, you know what? Okay. How about this? Export group, and then this can all go in here, and now we can have a nice clean asset. This is what's important to me in life: clean assets. So this gets exported, and then these do not. All right, let's animate. What do I want it to do? I want it to like nibble, 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 to pick its head up, look left, look right, nibble, 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 nibble. Okay. And it's going to go real slow because it's a tortoise. So we need lots of frames. Wait, 24 frames per second? I don't think I want that. Let's animate at 30. Let's animate at 30. And remember, kids, don't start your animations at frame 1. Just don't do it. Start your animations from frame 101 or 1001. Trust me. Professional. Beegs! Beegs! Why did you say that? I'm allowing this. Ugh. I can't allow that. I can't allow that. Nope, it's going. Goodbye. God, horrible. I accidentally hit return halfway through the message. Honest mistake. I don't believe you. Listen. I'm going to give you a shout out just so you know we're still cool. All right, so first we're here, right? First we're here. Do the hips first, and then we're going to stay here. And then he's going to lean down. And he's going to stay down here for a bit. And then he's going to move over here. Stay here for a bit. Move all the way over to the other side. Stay here for a bit. And then back up to the top. All right, how's that feel? Why are you not? What the hell? Oh, he's just idle for a sec. Let's move that over. Too fast. Too fast. He's a turtle. Too fast. All right, let's get the head going. So here we're still. We start moving down. And then I need like a little bob just to show that we're eating, right? Does that work? Let's see. Of course it does. It's a video game. Anything works. You know what's annoying is seeing these, seeing the skeleton is annoying. It's just Beegs talking about the emissions trading scheme. What? He knows nothing about the emissions trading scheme. I've tested him. What are you talking about? What is the emissions trading scheme? Just don't send fruit emote. Triggers booyah. Yeah. Listen. The cozy dev thing, you know, I try to take that to heart. I try to make this place free of anything that would make anyone uncomfortable. And that fruit emote, I can see that making people uncomfortable. Honestly, half the 90% of the emotes you both spammed earlier were making people uncomfortable. Or at least it could make someone uncomfortable. So I just try to avoid that. All right, maybe I can just copy and paste these keys. Let's copy. Paste. Paste again. That's so slow and so lame. Oh, it's so slow and lame. How do I make it like snappier? It can't really be snappy though. It's gotta be slow. Is tomato? No, we're okay with the Riz. The tomato Riz and the watermelon Riz, those are okay. Taz Deej, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Oh yeah, that reminds me. All new follows increase the elevation of Alpine Lake. What are we up to? We're up to 5. Yes, that is me. I'm anti-fruit. That positive reinforcement booyah. Rub his face in it. Exactly. What does booyah have against fruits? Balint, can you go to Beegs' chat right now and you can just spam the fruit there so Beegs knows? Your starting soon screen is fire. Did you make it? I've never seen that screen. I'm always live. Yes, it has C's and if only there was a scientist in chat. Uh, the pixel art? No. The characters walking around. Oh, yes, that's me. I've always wondered who watches VODs. Apparently, science. Science watches all the VODs for everyone. Can't get away with anything there. The ETS is New Zealand's main tool for acknowledging climate change. Its problem in routinely putting the burden on poor Pacific countries. Oh, that's rough. Sounds complicated. That sounds quite complicated. I don't research enough or get involved enough in those kinds of issues to know what I'm talking about ever. What happens if I just do this? That one. What's this rotation? Oh, it's all of them. No. Tools. Gimbal. Yeah, why? Okay. And then this one should go up, right? Oops, 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 oops. Go back, 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 back. Like that. No, it's so slow. I'm just going to make it faster, whatever. It's kind of nice. Oh, wait. I only did the... Oh, whoops, I had the wrong button selected. There we go. But I did like the overlapping stuff going on. I gotta build that in properly. I'm bed. Yag! Have a good bed. What are people getting from my VODs? That's what I want to know. No, I don't know. I don't think people watch VODs. I post my VODs to YouTube, and they get, you know, really, really low engagement, low views, low time watched. But some people watch them. I don't know. There's a few. It's very rare. So this is the turn, right? Right here. Let's make that a little faster. Make that a little faster. Back to center. Is that when we, yeah. All right, so what does this look like now? And let's do them all. Yeah, let's just do that for all of them. That's cute. That's cute. Oh, hungry little fella. Matt Birds, how's it going? It's a cute turt. Yeah, it's cute turt. It's tortoise, actually. Kilika taught me. We generate all the CO2, and then our companies sell the CO2 to poor countries who then have to deal with the problem of why we generate so much CO2. It's fairly simple if you say it how it is in a few lines instead of 200-page document no one reads. Also true. I was the first person that someone had seen it happen to. Wait. I was the first person that someone had seen it happen to, but since I was streaming, I didn't know it was a thing. They were accusatory. Like, what did you do? Why is your page wrong? Oh, I see. From the change of the UI. I'm trying to find the user voice for it. Do you only post VODs on YouTube, or do you post regular content there as well? I only post VODs and shorts. I do not post regular content. If I was posting regular content, I'd probably stop posting VODs. Post it somewhere else. When it came up, it became a thing in chat, and people didn't seem happy about it. Kilika! Mr. Tortoise looking so good. The inspiration himself. Found it. Please stop messing with our muscle memory and revert the UI change. I don't want my VODs existing beyond recent memory. I kind of just want them for me. You know, I like seeing the history. I don't want to delete the memories. I can't do it. I can't just delete memories like you. One day when I'm 85 years old and I'm bedridden and I'm on my, and I'm going, maybe I'll watch those VODs and be like, oh, remember that time? Who knows if YouTube's still a thing. Oh, wait, I forgot. He's got a tail. I didn't rig his tail. I didn't rig his tail. I didn't rig his tail. No. I have the bones, but I didn't make any controls. I'm just going to make one control. Ah, so stupid. I'm going to make one control that's going to control all the bones. It's just going to curl it. Like if I select 1, 2, 3, and I do this. I do this. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Okay, so it's going to be one tail control group. It's not good to continue rigging something while you're animating it, but you got to do what you got to do. So this gets parented to the hip. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to orient constraint all these to this. So driver, driven, constrain, orient, maintain. And now when I rotate this, oh wait, it's not doing it. It's only doing it to the 1. Well, that's odd. Why is it only doing it to the 1? Did I do it right? These all have orient constraints on them. Let's try, okay, if I delete those, this one has it, yep. And now driver driven, apply. Why isn't it curling? The hell? If you posted regular content, I would have recommended not posting VODs, but you're a professional, you already knew. Yeah, I heard it's not good. I heard it is not a good thing because nobody wants to see your VODs. It'll get low engagement, it'll ruin your high engagement, shorter form content. You're the Beegs, you're the YouTube expert here. The first YouTuber I met on this platform was Nerkmind. Oh my god, I just typed in Nerdmind. Whoops. Sorry, Nerkmind. We used to have very overlapping hours. We were good Twitch pals, but unfortunately now we never see each other anymore. We're just passing ships in the wind. I feel like you just told us your plans for the future and they're quite depressing. You mean to be on my deathbed and watch a couple of VODs to remember the old times? That is depressing, isn't it? You think VR will be good enough where like we'll just be in VR suits on our deathbeds flying around? Only X.com will exist and be all things. Oh god, please don't. Why isn't this working? This is weird. What if I instead... No, wait, what? Okay. What I can do... Wait a minute. Yeah, this... All right, let's just see what's going on here. And then driver driven. And then I apply this. And then I rotate this. This has no rotation. Constrain axis. Set layer. Animation. No animation layers. All right, I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way then. I'm going to just freaking direct connect. You, and you come with me. Oh, window. Node editor. So tail control. Not hip joint, no. We want you. So rotate goes into rotate. Rotate goes into rotate. And I think you know where this is going. Rotate goes into rotate. Does that work? No, because the axes are, they're not aligned. Apparently, the x-axis is all their y-axes. This works. And then if I do the, I mean, I could still animate it. It's just not, it's just confusing. Come back. Oh, that's why the orient control's not working, because they're just twisting. Stupid. Maybe? I don't know. Not outliner. Node editor. Let's disconnect them all and figure out another way. What is the other way? I could... maybe I can reorient them, but the thing's already rigged. I didn't do much weighting, but I could redo the weighting, but I don't wanna. This is annoying. Why won't the constraint work? I mean, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna make multiple controls. I'm going to make multiple controls, and then these controls are going to get the rotate. So now, driver, driven, constraint, parent, driver, driven, parent, driver, driven, parent. So I rotate 1, 2, 3. Now it curls. Look how excited he gets. All right. Now, is it weighted enough? Oh, what did I do? No, don't do that. Did I break it? Okay, no, I didn't break it. Save, version up. Expert doing a lot of work in that sentence. Passing wind on the ships. Exactly. Now I want my brain in a VR headset. And then I could be Luffy, and waifu can be a real waifu. Finn. Ads in 30 seconds. I think they're over by now. How much detail do you really need on the tail? The player is going to see. I'm obsessive. It just needs to work the way I intend it. All right. So now we're fully rigged. Oh, the eyes. I didn't weight the eyes. Vertex. Window. Display. General. Component editor. Rigid. Nope. Smooth skin. This is going to be all of the head joint only. And this is only the eye joint. This is only the other eye joint. And then the legs I'll leave smooth. The tail I'll leave smooth. And now I'm done. Now I'm done waiting. All right, we're back. So how's our animation look? All right, so he's going to wag his tail. Listen, this is why we did this. Copy, paste. Too slow, too creepy. Needs to speak much quicker. It needs to happen a few times. So copy. Paste. Paste. Does that look normal? This looks weird. No, come back. It's almost like I want it to build an intensity. And then lower back down. Like that. But like way less. Still faster. Little slower, little slower. There we go. Done. Aria, how's it going? What are you doing with the turtle? Wagging its tail. It's eating. It's happy. Should you be able to pet the turtle? All right, it's going to do that when it moves its head. It's going to move it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. All right, so it does it here. Can I literally Control C, Control V? Oh, I can. Wait, but why doesn't that match at all? Copy, paste. That matches. All right, needs to do it here. Here. Wait, it's too long. I'm going to get rid of one oscillation. And then one more. Copy. Paste. It looks weird 3 times. Let's only do it twice. Okay, that looks better. All right. What's next? Cicada, how's it going? Seeing that close-up of a turtle butt made me realize tonberries are just turtles with coats instead of shells. Yeah, they pretty much are. Fin is fine. Oh, just don't call... Wait, just don't call PETA? No, what? I'm treating this turtle with the utmost respect. Tortoise. Pet him? Also, I don't think I did the eyes properly. Look at that look. Oh my god. The turtle's got attitude. love it. Wait, what? Why is this wrong? Oh no. This has rotation. Wait. No, I rotated it and then I zeroed this out. It didn't go back properly. All right, it's fine now. That was weird. Maybe I accidentally had the group selected. Maybe I accidentally had this selected. I don't know. Whatever. I'm working. I did something cool in an MRNG. Finished my tile set grass for next game. Do we want to see? Yeah. It's drunk. The turtle? No, tortoise. Tortoise don't get drunk. Let me see your grass. Oh, in the morning. Yeah, I'm not good with abbreviations. Oh, it's an animated. This is fun. Nice. Nice. Awesome. Do you have any images of you of a level? See what it looks like in action. All right. It eats, and I just need another idol that's like it looking around. Oh no, I need the I need the rolling on its back. I need the rolling on its back. Forgot about that. So that's all right. So I wish I can annotate here. Is that a thing yet? Can I put like something in the timeline? Blue pencil, insert frames, time slider, bookmarks, create. This one's called eating. Eating idle. End at 3:10. Create. Wow, this is new. This is totally new. I like that. That's cool. Not started on the game yet. I made assets before I do the game. That's fair. Just, you know, don't forget to make the game. Next is Monster Collector. Okay, I will say be careful making a Monster Collector game. It's so much art involved that you might never end up making the game. Just be careful. All right, so I'm gonna have. All right, I'll do one more idle, which it's looking around, and then one where it's rolling on its back. So I'll start at 3:30. Also, 3:10 needs a keyframe for everything. So 3:30. It's just gonna like look to the left, look to the right, and maybe breathe. So wait, what? Go back, go back. The head should lag behind a little, right? All right, what does this look like? So 330, 330 to 450. Way too fast. It's a tortoise. Way too fast. What is this keyframe? What are you doing here? I'll actually leave that. I recorded for fun. Would be a good short. If we were a YouTuber, yeah, should do it. Just do it. This will be my 21st game on itch. First on Steam. Okay, no. Then you know what you're doing. You know what you're doing. 21 games. That's so many. That's crazy. There we go. That looks good. We'll go to nice round number. 550. That's still too snappy. That's too snappy. Too snappy. Chill. There we go. Yeah, look at that. Nice secondary motion. And we come back. Look to the left, look to the right. And I should have more idle time in the center where it's not doing anything. I am Wen. Welcome in. How's it going? What kind of games you've made on itch? Aria, that was for you. Andreas, looks great. Thank you. Or are you talking about the itch games too? All are safe for work? Okay, that's good. There's some people that come in here. They're not all safe for work. Why is it not showing me both of these? There we go. Nice and smooth. We're gonna add a tag whale. We're gonna add a wagtail, a tail wag. Oh my god, that was pathetic. Donk donk donk. Copy. We'll just throw it anywhere. Doesn't matter. Or maybe I'll actually put it. It makes sense. I'll throw it where it's kind of idle. It'll make it smaller. It's a little too intense. Cool, done. And then flipped over and rolling on the back. That's what we need. So we'll say from 610 to 800. I don't know. So at 610, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I haven't even animated these at all. They just planted there. And gotta say it, if all are okay. Who knows? Someone might open a link before kids. Yeah, of course. Day was pretty good. How about you? I'm doing great. I'm doing great. I'm glad your day was good. I'm just animating this tortoise. Going pretty slow. And then, okay, so flipped over on its back. This is complicated. Okay, now it's complicated. Because the IK controls. All right, so first we'll do this. Oh, you know what? Actually, no. Before I do that, the frame before. Oh, not you. Although now I know that does that. The frame before, I need to key everything. Because the first frame of this one. Oops. No. Not that. Okay, yeah. So now the first frame of this one is going to be flipped over. And key that. Key that. Well, not yet. Why is this so broken? Why are the feet point? Oh, because I don't have any up vectors. I don't have any up vectors. Okay, I gotta go back. We're going back. He needs knees. He needs knee up vectors. So let's create some nulls. All right, where are the handles? Rig, U. So it's U to U, right? Constrain, pull vector. There we go. U to U. Ooh, that's not good. Its knee is backwards. I never even realized that the back leg, the knee is backwards. I think I'm gonna just go with it. I think I'm just gonna go with it. Yeah, I'm gonna go with it. Whatever, the knee's backwards. I don't care. U to U. U to U. No, U to U. Driver driven. Okay. So now I've got knees. And these need to be parented to these joints. Parent. 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 Okay, so now when I flip it upside down, it should do the thing. When is animating not slow? When it's a biped, when it's a simple biped, it's way faster than a quadruped. Found you in your game from a YouTube short today, and I've played the game and enjoyed it, so I decided to hop in a stream when I see one. Damn. Thanks for checking it out. Appreciate it. Which short was it? Is singing Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Hadouken? How's it going? Oh, God. I hate getting these texts that are just walls of Japanese and I just don't know how to read it. I think I know what it is, though. All right, so we do this. And then we do this. Okay, that works. Okay, cool. The knees are facing the right direction now. And then we do the same here. Now I can begin. We're at a pose, right? This is annoying. I want to see this properly. So it's starting at 180, right? So we go to 65. What? No. No, come back. Go to negative 65. No, negative 163. Okay. Let's say negative 165. That's 15, right? So plus 15 is 95. And then we're back here. And this needs to be broken. Oh, you know what I could do? Nah, it won't even help me. Let's just break that. And then we'll do this, a little bit of this. The one where the hacker guy looked at it, I forgot his name. Pirate Software. Nice. Hacker guy. When we did it all by hand and paper, yeah, then it was really slow. Yeah, this guy. This guy, right? Not the one where Andrew read out my tactic for dealing with bugs and everyone downvoted it. I don't know what goes on with the likes on YouTube Shorts, but sometimes instantly it'll show like 50-50. You know, it'll say like 5 likes. It can't be 50-50, but like 20-80. But then over time, the percentage changes, and then some of them just go all the way up to 100%. So like this one, that what was that one? Easy fix to all your bugs. Yeah, it only has 6 likes, and the percentage is 85%. So I don't know. I sent it to you and it had 6 likes and it had like 20% like ratio. I don't know what that means. It's very weird. The shorts, I'm sick of making shorts. Needs to go more, right? Yeah. Oh, I love that roll. Look at him roll. Should I just do one short loop and then loop it? Yeah, I should, right? Why is it looking weird though? 1, 2, 3. Why does it look so weird? I guess it's because this frame should be one out, right? Yeah, okay. This is where I want FK animation. Shoot. Shoot. Oh, I kind of want them to sway and be left behind a little, right? So like he sways this way and his feet are kind of still dragging. And then only like here do they catch up. So here they should actually be over here. And then I want to copy these keys, paste them over here. Okay, wait. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is actually, I'm going to delete all this animation, of course, because should I delete it all? Yeah, I have to. This system is it's not good for this. So I'm going to constrain these to here, but temporarily. I need a base null to constrain to. This is like the constrain feet constrain helper. So driver driven parent parent. Okay. And then so now I can, yeah, okay. So when I flip this upside down, instead of doing each one individually like an idiot, I can do this. And then this, no, wait. I go back. And then this thing can be parent constrained to this. Driver driven constraint parent. And then by default, it could be off. We're almost there. So grab this thing. Default constraint. The weight. Where's the weight? Here we go. It's off, right? But then on the flip, we set it to 1. There we go. Okay, and then now the feet follow along, and I could just do very subtle secondary animation. Oh my god, what a pain in the butt. People don't like the truth. Who doesn't like the truth? Wait, yeah, but I spent like $80 last night, and they have new bundle reruns on there now. God help me, I'm on Humble Bundle again. What's good? Anything good that I need? Why are you torturing that Testudine? Because there's going to be a quest where the turtles are flipped over, and we're going to have to unflip them. Okay, you know what I'll do? Also, I'll make a circle, put it under the feet. We'll go back to... Go back here. And then delete all these. 2, 3, 4. Yeah. And then driver, driven, constraint, parent, 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 parent. So now I can move this thing around. Wait, why is it down there? What are you doing down there? What are you doing down there? Oh, I made this curve and it's up there for some reason. Weird. That's weird. Okay. Driver, driven. Now we go up here. Okay, okay, one more time. And now this thing. Okay, so I can do this and we still follow with the stuff. Okay, there we go. So we're initially traveling to the... So we'll just do all this. I need local object. Copy. Paste. And then you. Kind of good. Kinda. Not yet. Not yet. What does it need? Maybe that. And then some kicks, some little kicks. All right, so these are gonna go opposite. And let's see what that looks like. Is it enough? Nah, it's not enough. It's too much. Too much. It's kind of hysterical, though. This poor tortoise. Yeah, what am I doing to it? Its legs look like noodles now. Like they just can't. What? Oh, whoops. Control Y. Y. Let's see what that looks like. That's pretty good. What do you think? Should its eyeballs do that too? Which NPC will be the turtle flipper? Can we ban them from the inn? It's going to be Jarf, and Jarf's a jerk. Jarf does not stay at the inn anyway. Super cute. You think a turtle stuck on its back is cute? You need to check your priorities. No, it is kind of cute. There's something very cute about it. I don't even want to help this turtle. It's too cute. The secondary motion of the legs came out nice. If I do say so myself. I just want to do this all day. Can someone make the rest of the game for me so I just make 100 animals? I'm not even kidding. Can I just have one of you? Can't forget the tail. Can't forget the tail. Lol boy, how's it going? Also, Poseidon manga or Magna. Sorry, I missed you there. The site that should not be named is spoken. Which one? X? Must resist urge to buy? Wait, what site are you talking about? Humble Bundle. Oh. There's the Learn Unity Game Development Bundle. You need that, right? He got me. He got me. Sorry for clapping into the mic so much, but he got me. He got me good. I appreciate that. How come none of you get me like Finn gets me sometimes? All right, should I? I'm going overboard on this thing, but let's do some eye movements. He's just gonna roll his eyes around. This is not pretty. Look away. Look away. Oh, poor tortoise. Poor tortoise. I might not do the eye thing. It's a little much. It's a little silly. I'll just reduce it a lot. Oh no, what have I done? All right, I'm gonna leave that. If they wobble like that IRL, I think anyone would consider it cute. Careful. You're gonna be a sociopath tortoise target. I've only ever found mine flipped over a handful of times, but it's pretty accurate animation. There's a tutorial on the use of VAR. No. This is what I bought. Ultimate Unreal Engine Sci-Fi Creators Kit. Let me see this. Let me see this. The private... No, I'd rather consent to my privacy than to pick custom settings. I don't care about my cookies. Oh, this is crazy. So much. Oh my god. So much. Assets are just so cheap nowadays. Like the fact that I'm spending time on this, hours of time, is for an indie dev, it's like blasphemous. All right, so we have our three animations. Let me make a bookmark. So this one's from 610 to 652. Create. This is the flipped loop. 610 to 652. Create. And then what was the other one? I forget. It was like 330 to, don't remember, maybe 600? No. Wait, what's going on? Why are your feet all stupid? What's wrong with them? Oh no, what have I done? Oh, I know why. It's because this needs to be 0 here. Okay. Yep. 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 Okay. Let's bring it into Unity. What can I actually do this? So if I say 330, what if I do this and right click time slider bookmark? Ooh, it fills it in properly. This is a look idle. Create. Look at that. Look at that. That's fun. Excuse me. The Unity bundle's expired, but I think the Lerts ones for Unity are on sale on Cosmos or Gumroad. Lerts sounds familiar. Lerts? I don't know how to pronounce that. I bought the medium version. I don't need all the big ones. There's some decayed stuff in there I didn't have. They all look pretty cool. I spent 4 hours making health bars from scratch just to find out I have 7 assets. Poseidon! But you learned something. You learned something along the way, didn't you? That's one fine turtle, Mr. Marion. Welcome in. How's it going? All right, it's time. So export group. Select, send to Unity, selection. Go to animals, tortoise, export selection. It's baking it like a good FBX. Good FBX. Unity. I'm going to start with... What am I going to start with? It doesn't run away, so it's kind of like a butterfly, isn't it? Kinda. I'm going to start with a butterfly. No. No, that's stupid. Start with a spider. Animal spider. Tortoise. Tortoise A. Maybe I'll have more tortai. So rotation helper. You're out of here. You gan. You gabbage. Tortoise. Animation. Keyframe reduction. No. You leave my keyframes alone. Resample curves. No. They're perfect. Don't you touch them. 3 clips. 1, 2, 3. 1001 to... Or 101 to what? What did I say? 310. And then this one was 330 to 590. And this one was 610 to 652. Did I memorize all those perfectly? I did. No, not this one. This one's to 600. All right, so this one's tortoise eating idle. Tortoise looking idle. And this one's tortoise flipped loop. Loop time. Apply. They should all be looped. Loop. Apply. Loop. Apply. And I never remember the right settings for root motion, but these things won't move, so I don't care. Did you just pronounce the Lertis? Well, I saw Lear, so I said Leerts, but I don't know how to pronounce it. You got me. Oh wow, he looks pretty good right off the bat. He needs the matte apply. Yeah. He's so sad. Why so sad? Animator. So spider. Where's the animation controller? Spider controller. I'm just gonna duplicate it and say tortoise controller. Get out of here. Tortoise controller. Animator. So the tortoise controller, whoa, It has an idle and a walk, but I don't need that. So the entrance here, I don't need the walk. This one is now tortoise, idle. And then I'll say make transition or create state. Make transition, make transition. And this one could be tortoise look. This one's eating. This one's looking. All right. And they'll just feed into each other, right? So has exit time. It actually needs 0 transition because they're perfectly looped. So we'll just say exits at 1 with 0 second transition. Exits at 1, 0 second transition. And then I'll have this flipped, right? Flipped. Flipped. This is idle looking. Idle eating. Turtles don't attack. And we'll say any state goes into flipped when we don't need that. 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 And we don't need that. We'll say when trigger happens, flipped. No, you know what? We'll say it's a bool. Flipped. So interruption source. Current, then next. Has exit time? No. Just do it. Just immediately do it with 0 transition. And then when flipped is true, and then if flipped is false, when flipped is false, we'll go straight into idle looking around. Oh, crap. The event. It's in 30 minutes. I don't want to go. I don't want to go. I mean, I do. It's just so far. I'd have to... I'm going to be late, and I got to go right this second. Splinter, I will only lurk because Booyah appears to be doing work for a change. What do you mean? I only do work here. It's not lay arts? Oh, maybe. I have an idea for... wait, I have an idea for the game. You have scarecrows, but the scarecrows are made from the... Are you talking about Splinter's game or my game? All right, this should not have an exit time either. Just do it instantly. Oops, that wasn't instant. That's instant. And interruption source is current and next. And interrupt. Ordered interruption. Ordered interruption. Okay. So the turtle exists now. Let's change all these to tortoise, I mean. Tortoise, tortoise, tortoise. Tag proximity set. I don't remember what that means. Oh, it's looking for the player. That's right. It doesn't care though. It's not gonna flee. The fleeing happens here. So let's turn the fleeing off. So flee type. No flee type. Just no AI. You get no AI. Remove component. All tortoises are turtles, but not all turtles are tortoises. Splinter, we went over this last stream when we made the tortoise. But you're saying I can call it a turtle and it's fine. But if it was a wait, what does that even mean? All tortoises are turtles. But if I was calling it a turtle, then there's a chance that it's not a tortoise. But since it is a tortoise, I can call it both. Call it a test. What is you're the second person to say this. Call it a testudine and be done with it? Yeah, like I can remember that. This word again, I know, right? Second time. First time ever hearing it in my life, and 2 times in one day, 2 times in one stream. It's the Bader Meinhof thing. I mean, it doesn't help that there's a turtle on my screen. / tortoise. All right, now you're just spewing nonsense. Shout out to Splinter. So close to the 50 follows. 47. He's only 3 away. Who's going to be the 3 to get Splinter to affiliate? Who's going to be the 3? When I click Splinter's name in the next 30 seconds, I really, really hope to see a different number than the one I saw before. And I hope it's higher. Because if it was lower, then that would be really sad. Don't let him bully you, chat. Tortoise. Prefab option. Tortoise. Photo. Tortoise. Subject. Tortoise. Tags. Visitor center. I forget why I use these tags. Damn it. Damn it. Yeah, I'm not going. I'm not going. Having too much fun here. I don't feel like dragging myself out. 45 minutes on the train right now. They're still up. Super Game Assets bundle. 7,000 assets for Godot, Unreal, and Unity. Oh, I see. I've seen these. Okay. Yeah, this has been for a while. I looked through all of these. None of them are for me. I mean, they're all great. I just don't need them. I don't feel like buying them. Yeah, I do not. I don't feel. These are great, though. If anyone's making any kind of game where these assets would be useful, don't hesitate to buy them. That's disgusting, Finn. I don't know what's worse, that or the sexually explicit emotes that was being spammed before. You good, bro? He ain't good. He just really needs a shout out. He gets very energetic when he doesn't get his shout outs. But then when he gets the shout out finally and I make a comment like that, he does a miffed emote. What this is perfectly normal stuff for a horror creator. Miffed. There it is. There's the miffed. He's not wrong. Okay. Where can I put the turtle? Let's put it here. Oh, he's cute. Look how cute he is. Look at how cute he is. Look at him go. Let me see your tag well. I mean, oh my god, your tail wag. There it goes. Look how cute it is. Video games are the best. You could just whip that up and put it in. Put it in your video game. Hey, nobody's going to stop you. How do I flip you? Let's flip it. You ready? We're going to flip you. What happened? Wait, where's the animator? Window. Animation. Animator. There you are. Where'd you go? I'm going to flip you. Flipped. It doesn't play. Wait, what? Why doesn't it play? What is happening? He passed away. Yeah, he did. This is not playing. This is very strange. Wait, auto live link? Let him eat his weeds in peace. Don't flip him. I didn't even see that. Get rotated, idiot. Yeah, I can't flip him. He won't flip. I mean, he flips, but he just... Why doesn't he animate? All right. What's up with that? Well, what if its default state is flipped? It's possible it's because I'm trying to like update this thing as it's running. Kilika. This is... Oh man, he's just flipped. He's not animating. So weird. Did I screw up the import settings? Animation? Flipped? It's looped. It looks like that. Do that. Do the ding. What if I drag this in? Flipped looped. Is there a difference between these? No. Not really. Maybe it just doesn't like any state. You know what? Let's get rid of any state. And we'll go make transition here. And say if flipped is true. Make transition here. If flipped is true. And we'll say has exit time no. And transition is 0. Same here. It's never weird. It's always our fault. Yeah. Mobile waifu game, Mana Culture. You better be sponsored to mention that in public. Weird would be an aberrant behavior. And the behavior we give them is the only thing that gives you the end result. So it's not weird for the given input. All right, now I'm lost. Yo, Atrum! You making a road killable creature. I'm trying. Also, be careful. Don't verbally abuse the tortoise too much. Killick is very sensitive about it. It's flipped, and it can't get up. Oh, the poor turtle. Poor tortoise. Oh my god. Why is it stuttering so much? Don't stutter. Why is it stuttering? It's so cute. You missing one frame? No, I shouldn't. I shouldn't be. I mean, it looks great in Maya. Like, it looks fantastic in Maya. 610 to 652. That looks great. It's perfect. It's got to be some kind of smoothing bullshit. Import animation. Don't resample curves. Don't compress the animation. Remove constant scale. Sure. If I look at it here, flipped. What if I look at it here? Yeah, it's no good. What if I say 51? Play that. No. 53? Terrible. Why can't this thing loop? What if I bake the keys? Check the loop clip. You can change the frames in Unity. Unflip him now! Oh, kill a guy can't. It's so good. It's because he started at 1001. You guys are good. Okay, if I look at 652. Oh, 610. Okay. So 652 and 610, they're not the same, but it's because 653 and 610 are the same. So that makes sense. I wonder if it's because of this. So like the tail needs these extra keys. And then the feet. The feet I'll move over one frame. They can move over. Excuse me. 611. What country do you think we're in right now? Am I in your country or are you in my country? Isn't it just easier to copy the first frame to the last frame? Yeah? I mean, it already matches though. It literally already matches. I don't know what's going on. Selection. What are my FBX settings? Maybe there's something here. Animation, yeah. From 1001 to 800, sure. Resample all. No, don't resample. Bake, but don't resample. That's the problem. Tortoise. I set those keys very specifically. How dare you resample them? I bet it works now. Look at that. There's still a little hitch. It's very subtle, though. No, that's not subtle. Yeah, look at that. Whoa. 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 It's whatever's happening here. Do I have gimbal lock? Do I have gimbal lock? Oh, it's this. I think it's this. Am I experiencing the gimbal lock? Curbs. What if I do this? What if this is plus 180 instead? Or plus 360? Plus equals 360? It shouldn't change anything. It just doesn't like this. It needs to be baked. It's doing some weird interpolation right here. Because I think it's because of this, like, instant flip. Maybe I'll flip it over the course of... Oops. Maybe I'll flip it over the course of a few frames instead. Just in case. There we go. Perfect. Right? Looks good. All right, Killico, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It works too well and it's too cute. And I think I'm never going to unflip them. I think actually these torti will always be flipped. Like, that's just their state. And it's going to be a problem. Like, oh, they're going extinct because they can't unflip themselves. This is now the new idle state. Permanent idle state. There's an animal like that that's just going extinct. I mean, isn't that pandas right now? They just don't want to reproduce, and they're just like, they're going extinct because they just won't mate with each other. Sorry, I missed some chats. Let me go back up. Also, Bear Romance, that's been pinned this whole time. Unpin. We're done with that. Foul, how's it going? Sorry, I missed you there. How are you? Isn't it just easier to copy? Yeah, sorry. We did a bit of that. I was selective with what I noticed, with what chats I noticed. He's already disoriented from smoking the Caribbean. Splinter. Do you know in some countries you have to dial a different number for police, fire, and ambulance? Imagine getting choice paralysis at that point. I think the Japanese one is 119. I hope it's right one day when I need it. I think it's 119. 0118 999 881 999 119 7253. Splinter, was that from IT Crowd? Oh, Killica. I love that angry emote. Oh my god. So good. I think I'd prefer scarecrow corpses. Jesus. Are you going to make it so if it's flipped over, you never flip it back? When you come back, it's dead? No. Poor Panda. Yeah, poor Panda. We're never done with it. I already set it off to make t-shirts and mugs. Quite right. Nice. Did you have to look it up or did you memorize that number? Waka's so mad. Yeah, Waka is furious. I mean, I'd be furious too if I was a turtle enthusiast and one of the streamers that I frequented did this. It's just so cute. Look at that. It's so cute. Like, I'm gonna take a selfie with it. Who wants to take a selfie with the flip turtle? Augie! Augie, how's it going? I had to look it up. I only remembered 0118999, which is more than I know of pi offhand. I mean, it is a better number than pi. Nice opportunity there for an IT crowd reference. Yeah, it was perfect. Oh, that show is so good. Honestly, it's great. Thank you. Oh, Killica, I'm sorry. What is this pi slander? The IT crowd emergency number is better than pi. Hands down. TAU is Bay? What's TAU? Wait, also, we got off Killica. What happened? Get back on Killica. This was not the hot take I expected here tonight. Oh, don't worry. It's not a hot take. It's just fact. Two pi? All right, I am, what do I do next? Should I put the turtle in the game somewhere? Let's just hide him somewhere. I'm gonna put him in town. Yo, Tino! Tino! How's it going? Thank you for the raid. Shout out to Tino. Introvert Latino, welcome in. Multiversal tax evader, how's it going? Staros, welcome in everybody. If you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. Working on this cozy game called Alpine Lake. It's an innkeeper life sim game. Tino, how was your stream? What'd you get up to today? Cats and Baron, welcome in. It goes well, just digging away at my demo. I saw you were still on, so wanted the guys to meet you. I really appreciate that. Welcome in, everybody. If you don't know Tino, we just met a couple days ago. I was too sick to stream, and I'm like, all right, let's meet some new people. I found you. You were way too nice to me. But yeah, it was really nice meeting you. Drop the link to wait, I have it actually. Your Steam game. Where is it? Shadow Breakers. Everyone, check out what Tino's working on. Paste. Finn, you can pin that. Too late. Everyone, make sure to check out Shadow Breakers. Give it a wish list. Let's watch the trailer. Wait a minute, what am I doing? Full screen. It's awesome. Looks great. Very cool. And you're an Unreal, right? Yo, you gifted a sub to Oi? Thank you. Thank you for that gifted sub. That's really kind of you. Done and done. Nice, nice. Get those wish lists in. And you said you've been working on this for like a year, right? Or less? Was it less? Is it, whatever it is. This is a lot of work for whatever amount of time you said. First game, so I'm doing everything I can to make it happen. But your community and game are the inspiration I needed. I really listen. Check out anyone on the software dev category. Everyone's making cool stuff. Falonier, that guy right there, Falonier, he's making a Twitch integrated RPG, which is awesome. Finn, who's always trolling me, he's making an awesome horror game in Unreal. Also, give Finn a follow, give Fal a follow. So many good people. Just got to get around. Just got to get around. I'm just one of the many. Insulted? What do you mean insulted? I literally put you in a category of wonderful people. I'm on year 3. Yeah. I'm rounding the corner of year 4.5. I'm coming up on 4.5. It's pathetic. Also, to the people coming in, feel free to give Alpine Lake a wish list. Also, I missed a follow. Any new follow changes the elevation of the main town in the game. So it's at 1576, yeah. It's like my favorite place. Yeah, hit them all up with follows. Check them out. Yeah, if you like horror games, Finn's working on a horror game. It's coming out really nice. Yo, Ameripon! We even got NSFW game devs up in here. Yeah, Ameripon makes some spicy stuff we can't look at. Even though he tricked me once and we looked at one thing. That was safe for work. Yeah, that was safe. How spicy. Too spicy for tea. Even the safe for work version was too spicy. So this is what you came into today. I am working on a new asset. I'm working on this turtle, and one of the quests is that someone's flipping all the turtles, so I had to make this turtle flipping animation. It's very cute, but it upsets one of the people in chat because it's very near and dear to them. Those poor turtles. I know, right? Not the turtles. That is some juicy roly-poly animation. Yes. It's the legs. It's all about the legs. They get flopped around. This was really fun to do. I'm skipping an IRL indie game dev event because Introvert, thank you for the follow. I'm skipping an IRL indie dev meetup because it was just too fun to make that turtle. And I only kind of wanted to go. I didn't really want to go. It's all about them floppy legs, yeah. All right. I was just gonna put the turtle in the game. Actually, that's what I was gonna do. I was gonna put the turtle in the town. That's what happens. That's what happened when you raided me. So I need a rock or something. I have certain stones that I've been using. I don't remember which ones. I think it was the Sinti ones. Stone. I think it was these. SM rock. Not wall. Not small. Rounded? Rock pile. Yeah, nah. Is it this one? Oh, that's annoying with the different color here. It's not going to be very noticeable, but all right, maybe I'll put it here so when you're crossing the bridge, you can see it. Oh, I literally just reshot some shots from my trailer, and this shot was in it, so because of that, I'm not putting this rock here. That is a terrible reason to not put this rock here. If I was a good game dev, I would just reshoot the shot, but I don't wanna. I do not want to. I'm just gonna put the turtle here for now. It's default state. Oh, it's the best. Oh my god. Wait, what even is this? Special decoration? I don't know. The port. Yo, Jedum! Jedum, how's it going? Slime Raid. Kumezu, how's it going? Kieran. Sir Stefan. Welcome everybody in. If you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. I'm working on this cozy game called Alpine Lake. It's an innkeeper life sim. Sir Stefan, thank you for the follow. You came in at a weird time. I am semi-torturing turtles. I just made this new turtle for the game, and yeah, he's not having a good time. He's flipped. Ketcharm Mazov, thank you for the follow. Simbi, welcome in. Your Twitch name is Booyah Grandma. That is what it is. Meister Honk, welcome in. Wait, jeez. I'm missing a lot. Jedum, how was your stream? Shout out to Jedum. Everyone make sure to give Jedum a follow. Another wonderful Unreal dev. The slimes have arrived. Yes, they have. I want to save him. He cannot be saved. Right, not right now, at least. He will be savable in the future. Screw you, Booyah, I did it. What do you mean you did it? What'd you do? What did you do? Wasn't it a tortoise? It is a tortoise. It's true. But apparently all tortoises are turtles, but not all turtles are tortoises. That's what everyone keeps yelling at me. Lampfrost, how's it going? Not the turtle. Turtle torture, no one tell Beady Turtle. We're trying to save the turtle, though. 'Twas good. We have a building. We have building a city for so long. Wait, what? We have building a city for so long now. I don't understand. What did you do? Test two dines. No, that word is banned. Test two dines. That word is banned. Another rare Unity dev on Twitch. Yeah. You want to see even more rare? I use Maya instead of Blender. I'm a Unity Maya user. I might be one of a kind. It's possible I'm the only one. There are other Maya devs. One other Maya dev, Kindred. He's in Unreal. And yeah, that's it. That's the only other Maya dev I know. We've been building a city. Sorry. Okay. Slime brain. No, I just can't read. I should have gathered that. Do you have anything you want to share, Jedum? Also, Tino, I showed your Steam page. If you had something you wanted to share specifically, please, links are okay. Lana Lux is Maya also. Oh, I think I knew that. I've seen her stream one time. I went into her stream once and I asked a question, and she read it, and she was like, I was basically like, oh, I'm about to release my Steam page. Do you have any advice for me? Or something like that. And she was like, no, I think you already know what you're doing. I was like, what? What do you mean? I was actually curious. Like, I think that comes off as like baity. Hey, look at me. Look at my Steam page. I'm releasing one. Do you have any advice for me? But remember, I'm making a Steam page. Please ask me about it. But honestly, I didn't care to share it. I was just asking for advice. That was like a year ago. I didn't think people used Maya anymore. I mean, it is technically the industry standard. Here's a recent clip. Nice. Wait, did you mean for her to be her own weapon? Ridiculous. Ridiculous. The Polygon Pilgrimage? He's also Maya? Wait, Lampfrost, I missed your message. Not every turtle is a ninja and has a rodent parent. I thought you were going to say not every turtle is a ninja, but every ninja is a turtle. Because that's literally what everyone's saying here today. These are just old people tools. Augie. Ouch. Augie is always making fun of how old I am, but I'm not that much older than you. To be fair, I think of the first stream when he's... Yeah. There's another one. Oh, Polygon. Okay, I didn't realize Polygon Pilgrimage was also Maya. Rhina Mo, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. How's it going? Jedum, that's a great clip. I'm a Maya user, but I want to transition back to Blender after a decade. I don't blame you. Maya is expensive, and Blender's just... It's just got everything. It's just got everything. I tried many times to use Blender. I just keep coming back to Maya because I know it. All right, I don't want this to be the default state. Animation. Just, no. Show me not flipped turtle. Why won't it flip? Yo, flip. Is it going to complain if I put it there? I wonder. Oh, I need to put grass there because it has an idle, it has an eating idle that it cycles through. And if it's just eating nothing, it'll look stupid. It is impossible to see. You don't even notice it. I might have to put it up here. No, I don't like that either. Too bad I don't have a Steam page yet. Otherwise, I could ask you for advice. Listen, anyone's allowed to ask anything here. And if you want to show off your Steam page, drop them links. I do not care. Self-promotion is allowed here. As long as you're a nice person, I'm okay with self-promo. I do not... It's ain't all about me. Waifu apocalypse? Finn, I'm so confused. I think I missed the whole waifu thing. So you and Splinter were doing a thing. Just a good example of the progress. The town looked nice. The town did look nice. That's a feature. Oh, so that's a real weapon. Using another person as a sword. That was just normal. If you Google search, is Maya or Blender better for Unity? The AI will say more people prefer Maya over Blender for Unity projects. It's interesting. It's interesting AI would say that. Poly what? Pilgrimage. Poly pilgrimage. Polygon pilgrimage. Is that what you're talking about? Red K, welcome in. I need advice on life and career. May I ask? Sure. I'm not qualified to give you advice, but you can ask and I will say words. Maybe you'll like them. That would have been perfect timing to say I can fix her. The Xbox 360 was released the year I was born. Get out. Get out. Just weighing. Is it Maya because of comfortability? Yeah, I mean, I've been using Maya for 16 years. I learned Maya back in 2007. No, 2005. Oh my god, I've been using Maya since 2005. Go ahead. All you youngins tell me I was born in 2005. Go ahead, say it. It doesn't bother me anymore. Wait, sorry, I'm really behind. Let me try and catch up. She calls you. Staros, I don't remember what that's about. Sorry if I missed something there. I'm missing everything. What the flip, Mr. Mard? What the flip indeed? Turtles can't flip. That's against the law of physics. Ask Hillica. I will complain. Unflip him? Oh my god. That rage emote, that Waka angry emote is just so perfect for being upset about a flip turtle. I don't know why. Kind of like dropping toast and actually landing the right way up. Impossible. Yeah, it's always butter side down. Your style looks good, like Animal Crossing, kinda. Stefan, I appreciate it. Yeah, we formed our own clique. Good. Good. Let's go with yes. Yes, let's go with yes. Why don't you add AI interactions for chatting with NPCs? No, never. Yeah, well, the AI tool, the AI told me that the waffle stomp was called that because the Belgians invented it in the 1890s. So the AI can plainly fucking can be plainly fucking stupid. Also, don't Google waffle stomp. Feeling sassy might delete. Yeah, I don't feel like I want to Google that. Muniz, I was born in 2005. No, you weren't. I know you weren't. Also, how's it going, Muniz? The only career advice I can give all y'all kids, coding is bad. OF is the way. What is OF? Summer days suck. Welcome in. I was in high school in 2005. That's fine. I graduated in 2004. That's not that different. Unflip him never. Vitamin? Vitamin. I kind of like that. Are you Jewish? Irrelevant question, but sure, yes. Let's not talk about religion. I was born in 2006. Liar. I was born again in 2005. Oh my god, yes, OF. What is OF? Mr. Mard, that is a great name. Rice K. Damos Games. Welcome in. Mr. Mard. Wait. Is there a deeper meaning to your game or to your name than other than Mr. Mard? Yo, Cog, what's up? Why are you dudes like this? I don't know. There's always demand for it, for coding, till AI replaces it. Yeah, and coding's fun, so I'm gonna still do it from scratch. I'm here for a minute, and you say 17 cursed things. Yeah, I don't even know what's going on. All right, Red K. All right, long story short, I am struggling to find a job in game dev in India. I already have 2 years of experience, but have about 3 job switches in that span, which is the reason I think I'm not getting a job. It's been 8 months. I'm jobless, and it's now scary. I'm thinking of going abroad for further studies and trying to get a job there. But if I don't get there either, now I'm in debt. Oof, red K. Red K. I have no idea. First of all, I don't know about the job market in games. What I would do is I would broaden your search. Why does it have to be in games? Could you look in a related field? If you're a programmer, just look for programming jobs anywhere. If you're an artist, you know, there's a lot of art. I know that actually there's a lot of art jobs in India, especially like CG art jobs. I would broaden your search to try and land a job, because being in debt's not good. I understand like you want to do the thing you love, but I mean, I don't know. I'm not in games as a day job. Like, this is totally side job. You can always make games on the side if games are your passion. But, you know, going into debt's not good. It's really important to don't do that. That's my opinion. It could change. My opinion, I can have a completely different opinion tomorrow, and it's definitely not something to be taken literally. Take it with a grain of salt. Born in 98. Even I start to feel old now. Looking at your Steam, game's looking great. Stefan, appreciate it. I think he meant the in name. Oh, the in name. Yeah, I can't keep a consistent thought thread. It's just all over the place right now. I was born in 2004. Liar, Munez. Jedem, I appreciate it. Everyone, I hope you gave Jedem a follow. Jedem, do you have anything else you want to share? Any socials? Any besides following you on Twitch? Do you have a Steam page yet? Unless coding from this point on never requires any original thought, and we can find a power and knowledge source to cope with AI's exponentially useless requirements, AI will not replace us. Yeah. Although I saw some ads that were very controversial in San Francisco. They were going around, I think, Twitter, where it was literally a bus stop billboard that was like, "Stop hiring humans, hire our AI staff instead," and everyone was freaking the hell out. Mr. Mar, do you have any more? No, Munez. He's done handing out levels. You're addicted to Mard's game, and that's how it's gonna stay until he releases. That's that. My car is from 04? That I believe. I was born in 2014. Liar. Because if you were, wait, actually that's really dangerous, because you shouldn't say stuff like that in jest. Twitter will delete your account. No, socials are useless. We did recently release a game on Steam. Well, link it. If you want to share it, link it. Tentatively starting to release January 6th. What happened to January 1st? Yeah, don't joke about being younger than 13. The slime races. Oh, you just released this. I saw you working on it. You whipped this out quick. Ultimate Twitch integration meme game where your viewers can join the fun by predicting which slime will win the race. Watch the slimes wobble and squish their way to the finish line. This is great. I remember when I rated you for the very first time, this is what happened. Thunder Slam. Earth Slam. These are great. Oh my god, this background is so much attention grabbing indeed. Launch a Twitch prediction with a single button. I know that guy. You put yourself in your trailer? I know that person. Shameless plug, yeah. Oh, Red K. Gotcha. Thanks anyway, man. That made me hopeful. I think that too. I should try to find jobs in some other fields. Yeah. I just, get work, and then you can focus on finding a new job once you secure some work. But it's just dangerous going into debt. Just very dangerous. If you wanted to live abroad, that's fair. Like I wanted to live abroad, so I live abroad now, but I only did it when I could afford it. Because unless you have a plan to get out of debt, it's just dangerous. Give me the levels now or I will unsub, undonate, and unlike your game. Yeah, I feel the same. You can get auto-screwed for joking about age, yeah. My car is from 1990. Kilika, that's awesome. My favorite car was from 1993. I had a 1993 Eagle Talon. And that was the best. That was my favorite car I've ever had. Unless they got some great system to check up on your CV, start lying on it. You got 2 years experience, worked at X place, skip mentioning the other two. Don't mention you've been out of a job for 8 months in CV. Don't write dates, write only years of experience. What you've done in the last 8 months should not matter to recruiters. I mean, Atrim, that is Atrim's opinion, and it may or may not be right or wrong. And that's all I'll say. I think that if you are not, you can not lie and still leave dates off, and then, yeah, it'll just look better. Kilka, that's vintage now. Yeah, it's definitely a vintage car. Like, you don't have to pass emission laws with a car that old. Are you a part of its crumple zone? We got it done and released end of last month. It was quite surreal feeling. Yeah, I feel like that happened really quick. Congrats. Everyone, make sure to give this a wish list. I mean, if you're a streamer and you're into this kind of stuff, buy it. Definitely buy it for your stream. It's slowly turning into dust. Oh my god. These resume systems could indeed be screwing my chances. Yeah, they could be. Maybe I can give a small one. Let me look. Debt is no good. I just learned that banks in my country have if you haven't my country if you take out those quick loans. I did that a year ago when I was a student. Wait, I don't understand. I have a question, boy, if you don't mind. I know you have released a game before. How do you handle the curators that reach out? Do you have any advice surrounding that? Jedam, I haven't released a game in 12 years. I released the demo, but I haven't released a game yet. Well, I released one 12 years ago, but it wasn't like, it was an iPhone game. It wasn't a Steam game. But how do you handle curators that reach out? There's two schools of thought. Two camps, two schools of thought on that. The first school of thought is literally just give everyone all the keys they want, or give them one key. If they ask for a key, give them a key. If they're real, you get a review, whatever. Maybe you'll get some social attention. If you don't, okay, you lost however much your game costs. And if it's real, then a review can lead to future purchases. If it's not real, if they're just trolling you to get a key, then they were never going to buy the game anyway. So you didn't technically lose any money. If they're a key reseller, okay, maybe you're going to lose a few dollars, but those people who buy keys on resale, I don't think they're buying the game either. So the first school of thought is that just give the key. Even if they're lying, just give the key, because if they're not, then it could only help you. The second school of thought is never give them any keys. And that's fair too, because you don't want aftermarket keys floating around. So I would just pick which one of those schools you like and enroll. I don't know which direction I will go. I tend to ignore spammy emails. Like I just don't want to deal with them, so the Eagle Talon were just rebadged Mitsubishi Eclipse's cog. You do not gotta tell me that. Because right after I crashed that car, I got a Mitsubishi Eclipse 97 GST. I was a big DSM guy. I was in a car club of any people that owned Eagle Talons, Mitsubishi Eclipses, or Plymouth Lasers. Plymouth Laser was also the same motor, the same body. Right? The Plymouth Laser? Yeah. This is pretty much what I owned. 93 Eagle Talon Black. GS, what was it? Eagle Talon. What was the badge number? I forget. TSI, that's right. Oh, I missed this car. This was it. All right, I'm going to try and catch up with chat. So if you want to get a loan for a house, etc., all these things can be a big minus for you. Oh, yeah. I mean, if you have debt, I mean, it depends on what country you're in. It can affect your credit, can affect you getting loans for other things, sure. I have a bunch of debt from emergency stuff. I second Booyah's advice. Do not go into debt, yeah. Booyah, Grandpa hates me, your wife. Please unflip the tortoise. My wife is actually texting me right now, calling me stupid for not going to the meetup. She's like, why didn't you go? Because. Booyah Diplomatica. Yeah. I drove one for a while. Which one? Did we know this about each other? Lying-ish, just not telling the entire truth. Yeah. Also, keep the CV somewhat simple. One page is always enough. No fancy graphics, no picture. Sparky, how's it going? Welcome in. Steam curators, they're a scam. Yeah, most of the time they are. What I don't understand is how they get like 10,000 followers sometimes. A lot of companies use automated verification, so it's a lot about fitting in the right keywords for what the company is looking for. Really? The CVs are now sorted by automation? That's crazy. You want to work in games, man? In art or VFX, get a damn portfolio. Get one where you're doing the mundane stuff that impresses other artists. Everyone does super fancy sculpts, but you have to get your shit out there for people, and you have to start getting your stuff into products. Yeah. Camp of Schools. Yeah, I totally botched that one. Don't give keys. Yeah, I think I'm probably going to be lazy and ignore all of those emails. That's good to know. I've just left it all alone for now until I get a better idea. Yeah, you're doing the right thing, man. Never give keys. They sell them on scam sites. It's a 99% scam. Yeah. But the 1%. What if you give out a key that actually gets reviewed properly? No, but then you can tell. Okay, I was only up to finishing crocheting a gift. Bedtime, night all, summer days suck. Have a good night. I've been ignoring you. Wait, I have been ignoring, but you do raise a good point. What's there to lose? Yeah. I mean, you have the facts. Too fast, too booyarious. Yeah, this is why I'm such a Fast and Furious fan. Why do you think? Sparky, I appreciate it. Thank you. I uploaded a puzzle. I'll whisper you. Yo, Mard, you're really gonna slip a puzzle right underneath in my chat and I can't play it either? What? I want to play it. Trying to work in that car got me out of JDM cars real quick. Oh yeah, it was a nightmare. It never ran right. I took it to the track once and I did slightly better than factory numbers, and I poured so much money into it, and I was like, oh, this thing sucks. But I loved it. I loved it so much. This is new information I'm sharing. Damn. If only I can find JDM cars in Japan. Yo, so I was talking to a guy here, and he's like a professional driver where he does driving tours. He's not like a race car driver, but he does go to the track sometimes. And he's a very good driver. And he loves American cars. He's like, yeah, Japanese cars, but American cars, they're so cool. It's the opposite. Like, when you're not in Japan, you love Japanese cars. When you're in Japan, you love foreign. You just always love foreign. I whispered to Booyah too. I get to play? Can I play it on stream? Well, I can't play it on stream because it's going to show the URL. Do you care if everyone sees the URL? Can I hide the URL? The taskbar? View. No. I don't know. It's fine? Are you sure? Are you sure? All right, if you say so. Oh, you know what I could do? All right, here's what we could do. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. And then this. Oh, wait, no, but I can't drag it over. All right, you said it's fine. You said it's fine. So, everyone, this is Mr. Mard's game. It's coming out soon. It's a fun puzzle game. I haven't played it in a while. All right, let's do it. So, no. The only way to get this is this. And we begin. So no. And the only way to get this... Oh, no, you can do this. But it has to be that. Okay. Okay. It can't be that. Yeah, it can't be this one because it blocks both. So it has to be this one, right? If it can't be this, it has to be that one. Which means same logic here. It could be this one or this one. No, different logic, doesn't matter. It's got to be one of those two. I think if... Oh, wait. Can this be it? I guess it doesn't matter. This one doesn't matter because that's filled. It doesn't matter. Okay, so this one has to be that. And this one... Oh, wait, weird. No, it could be this. And then this. No! This one has to be that. No, it can't be. This one can't be this. So it has to be that. No. That means this one has to be this. No, this one can't be that. It can't be either of these. This puzzle's by Yuyuki on Twitter. She's given me permission to use it. Nice. Oh, it definitely can't be that one. And it definitely can't be this one. Ooh. Mar, this one's tough. This one's tough. Why can't I get this one? Whoops. That's a good one. All right. Yeah, I can't wait for this to be a real thing every day. Yo, Mark, this is going to be huge. Mark, this is going to be huge. I freaking love this game. Everyone you show loves this game. Excuse me. This is why I did it in around 40 seconds. Beat me? No, I can't do that. I'm too stupid. This guy's thinking. I just went with intuition, fixed my errors along the way. I mean, I get to that point eventually. But I like to start as strong as I can. I like to start with 0 possibilities. Because then I know, then I can undo to a certain point that it's like, all right, I know up until here is when it was perfect. Darth Bleckman, how's it going? If you're into games for money, don't. Yeah, don't. Don't. The only reason I managed to get my car is because they neglected to put it in Fast and Furious. Yeah, it's really hard to get those cars. Any car that was in Fast and Furious, the price like either held its value or grows in value. Film Scotland has going. See, when anyone mentions about taskbars, you mention that word before the ads. I always have the tune Rock the Casbah, but instead of Casbah, it's taskbar. Did I say taskbar? I don't even remember. This is the reason why you shouldn't fill slots that don't have the requirements until the end. Yeah, it's true. You're so close right away. Yeah, I got it. I got Click Happy. It's a great game, yeah. Is Mar just using Booyah to battle test the game? I'm fine with that. Yo, use me. Use me. All right. Did everyone wishlist and follow Shadow Breakers? Did everyone wishlist and follow and buy Slime Racers? Slime Races. What are we doing? What are we doing here? I guess I'm done. I'm gonna find someone to raid. I need dinner. I might go to this event. I don't know. Let's see. How long is it gonna go for? How long is it gonna go for? I don't know. Doesn't have an end time. It says 10 p.m. 7 to 10. By the time I get there, it'll be almost 9. No, I'm definitely not going. All right, let's find someone to raid. Where should we go today? This person's first coding stream. Let's code OPS. I like to stick to game dev. Unflip the tortoise? Never. The tortoise is staying flipped. You said taskbar instead of address bar. Oh, whoops. Thanks for the stream. Always, Jedum, thank you for the raid. Thanks for the stream. Even if my disappointment is immeasurable and the day is right. That's the best. Kilika. Thank you. For those that didn't know, we've been listening to Kilika's remixes this whole time. Give Kilika Beats a check on Spotify, YouTube. And help me find a raid target. There's a lot of people online right now, but I don't know where to go. Soon to be on Twitch? Yo, Kilika. Everyone, give Kilika a follow. Am I following you? I am already. I'm already following you. Everyone, make sure to give Kilika a follow. We got to be there. Got to be there when you're on Twitch for the first time. We need the date set. Danger Rep? Or Dan Garrep? Is it Dan Garrep or is it Danger Rep? Fine. No, it's Danger Rep. It's Danger Rep. Killbeats doesn't know it yet, but they're about to teach me game music. Nice. All right, let's do some credits. Credits. Twitch. Thanks for hanging with me, everybody. Really appreciate it. Got a lot of... Did I get a lot of work done? No, I don't think so. You guys are too chatty. But Rhynamo, Catch, Stefan, Introvert, Taz, thank you for the follows. Turgus for the Prime, and Tino for the gift to Oi. Finn, thank you for modding, and Jedum and Tino, thank you so much for those raids. I'll be back tomorrow probably. I'm here 5 days a week. If you haven't wishlisted Alpine Lake, please do so now. Right now. Do so right now. It's free. All you need is a Steam account. And then if you don't have a Steam account, make one. God. All right, everybody. Hope to see you again. Have a great rest of your day. You're all wonderful. Thank you. Val, Kilika, Andreas, Cog, Stefan, Finn, Muniz. Oh, everybody. If I missed you, I'm sorry. Jedum, Mard. All right, y'all.